We're not just talking about AI at NetApp, we're living it. Today you'll see how we used our own technology stack to solve a real business problem. NetApp SmartSolve support agent, developed on AFX and AIDE, delivers powerful insights into even the most complex distributed storage topologies. These insights are generated by sophisticated analysis and chain-of-thought AI reasoning across huge amounts of customers' structured and unstructured data, powered by NVIDIA's NeMo agent toolkit. SmartSolve becomes a NetApp support engineer's trusted, intelligent partner, quickly identifying even the trickiest issues and providing detailed, guided recommendations and solutions, rapidly accelerating successful resolution. And security? Built in from day one. Role-based access control means you only access what you are authorized to see. No accidental data exposure. The solution is developed using AIDE powered by NVIDIA, the game-changing end-to-end AI data service that makes AI simple, affordable, and secure. Now let's see how AIDE helped us build SmartSolve so fast. It starts in ONTAP System Manager. The storage admin adds DCN nodes for the data engine. Simple point and click. Next, create a workspace in the data engine module of System Manager. Add the ONTAP volumes containing your relevant data. Every data source your AI needs, unified in one workspace. The admin can create guardrails to protect the data pipeline using out-of-the-box classifiers. Apply the policy, share credentials with your AI team, and you're ready to build. Your data engineers create collections for vectorization. Dynamic sync keeps everything current while maximizing storage efficiency. Finally, publish the collection. A RAG retrieval URL is generated. Connect it to any LLM-linked application. Done. NetApp AIDE, powered by NVIDIA, delivers what matters. Find, sync, secure, transform. From raw data to powerful Gen AI seamlessly. So here's my question for you. What are you going to build?